Asteroid collides with Earth. Shortly after detection, here's what happened. An asteroid named 2024 UQ collided with Earth after being discovered just 2 hours before entering the planet's atmosphere. Measuring only 3 feet, 1 meter, in diameter, it posed no significant threat. Despite advancements in science, some asteroids manage to evade alert systems and strike Earth, with such incidents increasing over the past year. The latest event occurred on October 22nd, when the asteroid was detected and struck the Earth within 3 hours. Fortunately, it fell over the Pacific Ocean near California, causing no damage. The Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, a 4-telescope survey located in Hawaii, identified 2024 UQ. Shortly after its discovery, the asteroid burned up in Earth's atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. Statement from the European Space Agency, ESA. The ESA commented, "Atlas survey images showed an object with a high likelihood of Earth impact. However, its position at the edge of 2 observation fields caused delays in its identification. By the time astronomical impact monitoring systems confirmed the collision probability, the asteroid had already struck Earth." Third incident in a year, according to the ESA. This was the third instance this year where an object bound to collide with Earth was detected too late. In total, such events have occurred only 10 times, but 3 of these incidents happened within the past year. Need for investment in tracking systems. This close call highlights both the strengths and weaknesses of modern tracking systems. While this particular asteroid was harmless, it underscores the importance of continued investment in early detection technologies. The risk of undetected, potentially hazardous space objects colliding with Earth remains a concern, and greater investment in space surveillance is necessary to mitigate these risks. Thanks for watching this video. To subscribe this channel.